a submersible pump in the, you remember, the sand, to move the water from the sump to the big tank, underground big tank. From pump and the tank there is filter and some control, flow meter and pressure control. We can check here. The water coming from here. When the pump starts, the pump is controlled by level in the small tank and level here. If the pump is okay from both the level, can work. In different way, stay in standby to wait the water or the level. This pressure control the water, the pressure from pump. The water coming in this way, go in the side, inside there is the bag filter, coming inside the bag, go outside. This morning we installed this sample valve. You can check the quality of if needed, you can check the quality of the water. You have the pressure sensor here, you have the flow meter here. When this filter will be dirty, the pressure here will be very low, and you have the alarm. If you have the alarm, need to change this filter, clean, washing, or change this filter. But you have the alarm. Low flow, dirty filter, you have the alarm. This is the first part of the plant. When needed to change the bag filter, needed to stop the plant, close this valve, for safety, better to close this valve, open this is drain valve, open this is a vent valve for check for suck the air and remove all the water, wait 2 minutes and you can remove this and change the filter. This is the first step. The level control, you have one level control inside the tank, and you have this transmitter inside at the big tank. If you push it, now the P01 start when here is low the 31 cubic meter and stop when it is up to 42. This is the difference of the level. Now there is the okay from this time, because it's low the 31. Second step, you have the recirculation in a percolating bed. This part. This part, we have the pump. This pump B02 is this one. This pump bring the water from the tank. Now it's working. The water going this way, this filter. You have this filter. You have the pressure control. You have the flow meter. The water going away, go inside the UV lamp, the sterilization lamp. Now is connected. You remember before was in standby. Now is are working. Now in this way, and in this way go in the percolation. The percolation by gravity back to the underground tank. It's simple. Continuously. In the pressure, when pressure will be very low on the floor, will arrive at 5 cubic meter. need to control the filter. Need to control the filter the same. Need to stop the pump. It's better to stop all the plant. Stop the plant. Close the valve. Sorry, I need to check. No, stop the plant. Only drain this valve. Open, remove the back and change the filter. It's very simple. Needed to use the well water, the brackish well water, and reduce salinity and maintain the level inside this tank. Because here you can see this video. The reverse osmosis system will start at 36 millimeter and will stop at 42. This is independent. It's only for maintain the level inside the tank. No other. Because now the inlet water was about 60,000 microsiemens and the outlet is around 8. Is working very well. This is the other part. The other part is the water to the service. We have this pump. This pump brings the water from the tank and pressurize the water to the service. The water coming in this way, this is the pressure control. Now the pump is in work, are in work is 3.8 bar. Also here this morning we installed the sample valve if you wanted to analyze the water. Coming this way. You have these two big filters, sand filter and carbon filter. After that the water coming in this way. Go in this filter inside. If you follow the pipe, this is the pipe from carbon filter. Go in this way. Here you have also here the pressure. You have the same pressure like the 3.8. The water coming in this way, go outside. And we have the pH control, another pressure control, flow meter control. Now the request from the washing machine is 0. You don't have flow. You have only pressure. If some valve will open, we start to see flow here, and you can control it. The same question about the filter inside, no other. About normal maintenance, filter, you need to, sometimes you change the filter. It's not possible to stabilize at that time. It depends on the quality of the water, depend. Needed to check alarm and pressure and flow. Only this indication. Maybe it's possible can work also 1 year without problem. But I think maybe this will work more than this, because this is the first filter. This will work more than other. This I think maybe you can use 1 year without problem maybe, because there is other filtration before. You have media filter, you have carbon filter. But also this is only recirculation. Maybe the time need to change. I don't know, every 1 to 2 times a year maximum. It depends. The other is brown, but I think it is algae. It's not problem. When this filter will be very dirty, when we work, this pressure will arrive less than 1, and there is the alarm needed to switch the filter. Also here, I think 2-3 times here, 4 times, no more. That is this fragrance. The other question is the chemical. This is an anti-skinning chemical. This is important for maintenance the membrane clean and needed to introduce sometimes when the level is low. Need to have the chemical to put inside and dilute it with water. I installed this with water. Water